Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can remove password in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to search and write change your password, and right when you're here you're gonna see like this in password settings, and just click here password, right? Change current password, you just need to edit new password, confirm password, or like this one here, finish, and voila, your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign options. So this is how you can do it. It's like really simple and really easy. And yeah, thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.